Payhip Store Builder tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a store on Payhip. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Payhip, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Payhip, it is a UK-based e-commerce platform that enables creators to sell digital products, online courses, membership, or physical goods or services directly to their audience via their own storefront or embedded buyer checkout. And the platform also offers a highly user-friendly setup where you can sign up without providing payment information, choose your store name or custom domain, and even upload your product and start linking your payment gateways. So now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description or the top right corner in here. By simply signing in, all you need to do is simply fill out this required information, and that includes your first name, last name, email, and own password. Once you create your account, you'll automatically be directed in here. Under Payhip, as you can see, you have here the store essentials, and that include to add your first product, set up the checkout, and even customize your store design. So start by clicking the products option on the top panel and click add my product or add new product. I'm going to choose your physical product as an example, since this is the first thing that we need to do upon setting up our online store in here. So from here, all you need to do is simply fill out all of the required information, and that includes the title or the name, the prices, and upload the product image of the product that you want to add to your online store. And now as you can see, the product in here that I add is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm going to add here the price, for example, $1,000 USD. And below you can even add a description for the product. You can make it bold, italic, underline, and many more. And even add a link or URL on it. And additional details in here, you can add the product ID or SKU, but that is just only optional, and even the weight of the product in here. And you can even track the product inventory by adding here the inventory available, for example 99 inventory. You can even add the variation in here, such as the color, the sizes, and many more. For example, I'm going to enter the random color and click add product variation. By adding a variation of multiple colors in here of the product, it will give the customer a variety of choices. So I'm going to enter here the last, which is midnight black color, and click add the product option. And below, just click add product in here. Once done, upon doing so, it will automatically add the product. So if you try to visit our store in here, it will show us the store, blog posts, and the domains that you have already, or you can connect your existing domain. But from here, I'm going to click the store since we're trying to create or launch our store. By clicking this button, you will automatically be directed in our store in here. We have here this product that we are selling, and also this online store, which is only a basic info. Now, on the top panel, it will show us in here the header section. By clicking this header button on the left side panel, for the editing tools, we can start adding or customizing the logo, including the store title. I'm going to enter Gadget Nation as the name or the logo. And once done, you could also proceed by adding another things, but make sure to also save the changes. Going back on the header section in here, you can add a navigation links, which is by clicking add button on the top pop-up window, just enter the name and the link of it. For example, home. And I'm going to link here the home page. So upon clicking this one, just click add navigation link. Now it will show us in here the arrangement, or we can also arrange in here. As you can see, you can click save changes once again to save the changes that has been made. So as you can see, it is only simple to simply add more kind of design or insert a variety of elements, including this announcement bar and even the elements in here. And that includes a variety of icon, which is, as you can see, on the top right corner. Now aside from the header section that we could also start customizing, you could also navigate to add a section under here on collection, and that includes add a gallery, slideshow, image, text, For instance, I'm going to add this one. You can click the replace button on the left side panel to replace the image from your computer files. Or you could also add here or change the heading style or the heading context and even the description below here. So from here, I'm just going to enter a simple kind of codes. Your phone is part of your lifestyle. Moving on below here under the description or the subtext in here, you can click this one to customize. Now moving on, aside from this one, by clicking save changes, it will automatically save the elements that we just add for the section. You can arrange this one in here. As you can see, it is now being arranged properly, and this is basically what the customer will see once they visit our online store. And click edit all collection pages at the same time, or simply click the button below that says change store style. By clicking this one, it will automatically be able us to customize the colors. So you can see we have here light mode, white, dark, black. I'm going to choose here on this option, this highlight, and click the save button. Once done, aside from the color section, you could also customize the font by choosing the font style for heading, paragraphs, buttons, and many more. I'm going to simply keep it that way, moving on to buttons, favicon, and cookie banner in here. We can add all of this or set to default one. Or under the themes, you can customize to switch to the theme or view all the available themes in here, where you will automatically be directed on the page where you can start browsing the themes and preview it. For instance, I'm going to preview this Oasis. By clicking on the button, it will show you what it looks like. So from here, this basically will serve as our guide in creating our own online store. If you want this one, you can simply go back in our page and click switch. In another theme in here, I'm going to use the Oasis. Upon choosing it, just click I understand switch theme. By switching on it, it will automatically switch some other data and arrangement. You can also proceed by adding more kind of section in here, and that includes to customize the custom pages, the product pages, blog pages, and many more. So this is basically our guide to do it. Now in here, going back on our all product section, by clicking add section, let's say we're going to add a variety of gallery or image as instance, and choose this one. This is basically what it looks like. You can customize again, but I'm going to save in here the changes as an example. To make it quick, I'm going to add a multiple kind of elements or section in here. But as you can see, you can add here a testimonial, logo list, contact us, newsletter, FAQs, collage, and even embed code by simply pasting here the code to add your elements. And now once you have been added, you could also start arranging it in here, all the section that we just add. To make it properly aligned, we can simply drag it directly. Moving on, once you're done, you could also now click the publish button on the top right corner to save all of the changes that we just made. And upon visiting our store, it will show us what it looks like. So as you can see, that is just basically how you can create an online store on Payhip. Thank you.